everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make the most phenomenal biscuits. They're light and fluffy and soft and I know you'll love them. So let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe with the dry ingredients. I have 2 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And I'm just going to give this a good mix together, make sure that it's all incorporated. Now I'm going to grate in 1 stick of frozen butter. Give that a nice toss and coat all the butter with some flour. Now I'm just going to make a little well here in the center. I've taken 1/4 cup of sour cream and 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk and mixed them together and chilled them. And I'm going to pour that just right in the middle and then begin mixing my dough. You do not want to over mix this, so just bring it together. Now I'm going to chill my dough for about 20 minutes and then I'm going to roll it out and cut it into 8 biscuits. And I'm just going to gently press together. You don't want to fold it and do a lot of manipulation because you'll make your biscuits tough. I've got a little bit of foil here in the corners of each biscuit just to help them keep their shape in the oven. And then I've got a little bit of buttermilk and I'm just going to gently brush that on top to help give it a little color as it bakes. I'm going to pop this in the oven at 425 degrees until they're golden brown. My biscuits are out of the oven and they look amazing. They're so light and fluffy and soft. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.